This is the 361 basketball shoes that we ordered from 361 Basketball. My size is 44 here. Tara, open na natin. Wow. So we chose the color of white and blue mix na may sole na brown. Kasi kakaiba yung kulay niya, no? Ang lakas makasosyal for me. And the tongue, here's the tongue. US 10, 44 sa euro size. So this is made in China. If you are those people na pag sinabing made in China is really cheap, I don't think so. So they are one of the builders na pinagkakatiwalaan ngayon sa global economy. As you can see, na meron silang trade war with US. So for me, I would like to take this chance to try their products. Kasi if you went to Shanghai or Shenzhen, grabe na yung mga products doon. As in, may mga robot. So, yung innovation nila talagang solid din, no? So, matatry natin ito yung mga test, yung mga jump test or kung ano man ang kailangan for the shoes. I will search. We will try it on Saturday. But you can see, meron pa silang sole na 361 Basketball. This is really comfortable daw kasi with this sole. Tapos, meron pang quick foam na light here. So, you can see, no? Quick foam light. Ganda. So if you want to try this one, you can purchase it here sa Yellow Basket. And then please comment down below if you think this is a worth of your penny.